Okay, MKMMAers. I've been getting raves on my little videos, so I'm going to make another one. Here is the keyword list that I sent, that I posted up in the members area. So I'll go back there so I can show you. Come on, I only have 10 minutes. Okay, so I went to the Master Key Mastermind Alliance, and it was on the dashboard, but it's also in resources, and it's called Keywords Finally, and then I clicked on the PDF list. So the no's mean the competition is too high on these words. So the reason that I sent this whole entire list is because some of you were so nice to send these keywords that I just wanted to let you know why we weren't using your keyword if you sent those keywords to me. So here's the keywords that are good, and there's more. I'm going to be adding another list because some of you are getting excited and sending me keywords, people that weren't sending me keywords before. So, but I think we have a lot of great keywords here. Obviously, changing habits is a little high, but it's so relevant to what we're doing that I left it in. So any of these keywords that you want to use are great. And they represent over 40,000 searches a month. So that's a lot of searches in a month. So, you know, if we get 120,000 potential searches, that's going to build some serious lists for people. And again, I'm going to add some more keywords, so that'll be fun. We get some happiness keywords coming, thanks to Nancy Del Rossi. She sent me a bunch of good ones. So let's say I'm going to use the keyword changing habits. All right, I decided that I'm going to blog about changing habits and the law of growth. Those two go together pretty good, I think. So those are the two I'm going to use, changing habits and law of growth, in my blog this week. So I would add new, and I would make my title changing habits through the law of growth. Okay, now I have both keywords in my title, very important. Then my text, I'm going to just, you know, write the blog about how I use the law of growth, meaning what you think about grows, is helping me to change my habits so that I have good habits, or the habits that I want. And I'm going to either link these to, I'm going to use these keywords that I'm using, I'm going to make them links. I'm either going to link them to somebody else's blog who's writing about changing habits, or I'm going to link them to something that I like that I found on the internet about changing habits. We don't have to link back and forth exclusively to each other's blogs, but we do want to do it. Of course, the phone is ringing right in the middle of my recording, but we do want to do that. So, okay, so if you go to the community, the Key Club, inside the members area here, I don't know if anybody's, okay, so a few people have put in here what words they're blogging about. So let's have a look here. Okay, so Wilma's going to blog about hold on. Sorry about that. So Wilma's gonna blog about subconscious reprogramming, harnessing this. She's gonna do a lot about the subconscious. Damien, let's see. I'm not sure what he's gonna blog about there. So I don't know. Damien added a comment here. Nancy. I thought we were going to get a list. Well, there is a list. So actually, Wilma's, okay, here we go. Greatest salesman, networking skills, network chaos, self-improvement. Okay, so that's what she's going to blog about. So I'll put in here that I'm going to blog, whoops, Changing habits and law of growth. So if anybody is going to blog about either one of those things, you can link over to my blog. So let's see, Wilma's gonna blog about understanding your subconscious. So I am gonna somehow type into my blog understanding the subconscious. Did she say the subconscious or subconscious? Because you have to have it right. Understanding your subconscious. Okay. So you have to use it exactly as it is in the keywords. I mean, you see, this is easy. It's easy to get these keywords in because it's stuff that we're blogging about anyway. So I'm going to somehow get those keywords worked in, and then I'm going to take understanding your subconscious, and I'm going to link it to Wilma's blog, which I don't have the address for, but all I have to do is go to my blog. Actually, I'm going to open a new page. I have 3 minutes. I'm going to go to my blog. I'm going to click on Wilma's blog. All right, there's Wilma's blog. I'm going to get the, look at, she's got perfect affirmation. That's a good one. I'm going to grab her blog link. I'm going to grab her blog address. And I'm going to link it to my Understanding Your Subconscious. Always make this open in a new window. So here's Wilma's blog. Here's open in a new window. Insert. Now my blog is linked to Wilma's blog. Now Wilma has a backlink, and I'm using the keywords. Now if you don't have a good example of linking to somebody else's blog, well then, you know, just don't worry about it. Just make sure you're using your keywords in the title, you're using it in the body, and you're putting it down here in the SEO. So I'm going to put changing habits through the law of growth. I'm going to give a brief description using the keywords, and then I'm going to put the keywords in here again. So Google's going to look at this, and it's going to index it for changing habits and law of growth and understanding your subconscious. So when people type in to Google changing habits, my page is going to move up on the indexing. And because it's linked to Wilma's page, which also talks about understanding your subconscious, now I got 2 hits on it, understanding your subconscious. I got Wilma's and I got mine. So this way, Google indexes us up higher and higher. So that's how you link to somebody else's blog. That's how you link Anchor. This is now anchor text, okay? And you want to put it in your title, you want to put it in your blog, and you want to put it down here in your SEO. And you also maybe want to create categories over here for tags. You can add tags, which will also get indexed by Google. So I could put changing habits in here. I can put it into adding new categories. I can put that in. You can investigate what this is about. I don't really have time to explain it, but it makes tags on your blog, which also Google will also index. So I hope that this is helpful. Now let's say I found something on the internet about Og Mandino and changing habits. I could link this anchor text to that Og Mandino page that I liked. We don't always have to link back and forth to our own blogs, but it will help us all move up in the index if we do. And make sure it's relevant and make sure it matches. It can't just be random, okay? So I hope this is helpful. I hope that everybody's having a fantastic day, and we'll see you Thursday on the Techno webinar. Have a great day.